Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Merritt Bookkeeping Software, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Merritt Bookkeeping Software website. Locate the Sign Up or Register button on the homepage. Click on the Sign Up or Register button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to the registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements provided. Re-enter your password in the confirmation field. Provide any additional required personal information, such as your name and phone number. Select your business type from the drop-down menu if applicable. Review and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by checking the relevant box. If there are any optional settings or features, choose those according to your preferences. Once all fields are completed, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Merritt. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the Merritt website and log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard to set up your books. Follow any prompts or tutorials provided to set up your business profile and preferences. Explore the features of the Merritt Bookkeeping Software to familiarize yourself with the interface. Begin entering your financial data and transactions to start using the software effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.